Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your portfolio on Asana account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, as you can see, you will get the create button here. So we have to click on the create, and after clicking on the create button, we need to click on the portfolio option. So let's click on the portfolio, and after clicking on the portfolio, as you can see, now we need to choose the public to my workspace or public to portfolio members. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and now you need to choose the default view, which type of view you want. For example, I want the timeline view. As you can see, now the timeline view will work like this. So I have choose this. As you can see, now it's here. So as you can see, it will look like this. Now what we have to do, we have to provide the name here. For example, I'm going to write the my and port. So as you can see, it's here, and now simply we have to click on the continue. So as you can see, as the share with the teammates or the start adding projects. For example, I want to share with the teammates, so we have to click on this, and then simply we have to click on the board portfolio. We have to click on it, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the portfolio will look like this. Now simply we have to provide the email address of the member. For example, if you want to provide the email address, I'm going to write the email address here like this one, and then simply you have to click on the invite, and the invitation will be sent for your portfolio view. So as you can see, now your portfolio is created. The name of your portfolio is my port. So in this way you can create your portfolio on Asana. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.